Hey guys, Frisian here. We got a 2011 Honda Accord, and we have a let's see if you can see it, P2185. It's for the ECT sensor 2. That's for the engine coolant temperature sensor. Sensor 2, there's 2 sensors on this engine. This specific engine is a 3.5, and the sensor 2 is this guy right here. Okay, and that sensor is located right under the radiator. So it's a 17 millimeter. So this is your ECT2. This is sensor 2, and it's gonna be on the driver's side. Okay, right under the radiator, right about here. Okay, so when you go down here, when you go under the car, the sensor is gonna be located right next to the hose. Okay, it's gonna be connected right here. Make sure that the harness connector is fine, that the cables are fine, and there's no corrosion inside or anything. And then you're gonna use a 17 millimeter deep socket. That's gonna be the best way to get in there. So you can put your socket in there, remove it, and put the other one right in, because there's gonna be coolant coming out. So yeah. Alrighty, so we put everything back together. The P2185 code is gone. The check engine light doesn't come back on. So that's the fix. Change that sensor and clean your area. Be ready for the spill. And if you do spill a lot of antifreeze, make sure you put the correct level back on. So other than that, take it for a spin and make sure that your gauge is reading correctly. And yeah, you're good to go. So see you on the next one.